If you're looking for a short, mindful movement practice to do before bed to help you get a better night's rest, then this class is for you. All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. All right, we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just taking a moment to really feel into the body, feeling rooted into the earth, feeling present. Just letting go of all the worries, all concerns and considerations. Just being here now, in the body, feeling the breath. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides, and as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, really taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down, and then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the fingertips point up, they float up and over, then the hands spiral out and away. We call this one silk reeling, the upward spirals. So adding in a little bit more spiraling movement, really circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over just as much as you can comfortably. The fingertips point down, coming down the center, and then spiraling out and away. The downward spirals. So just softening down, rising up, really letting go. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down with the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body. Bring the energy into the heart and let go. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. Press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. All right, thank you all so much. If you like, you can continue to stand, or if you need to rest, you can have a seat, and I'll play a little bit of healing flute music for you to finish the flow. Thanks so much for joining me for the session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you wanted an even longer flow to help you get a nice, restful sleep tonight, then please click the link right here to watch the next video, and I'll see you there.